Hello to everyone. I'm greeting you on our channel. Today I will tell you how you can to use a promo code for pocket option and how you can double your deposit without promo code, which you can find in our description or you can see in our screen. And first of all, for this we need to go to the website. You can find the link under our video or in the internet and go to it. The promo code is erasable, so if you have an exciting account, it won't work. To do this, you will need to delete it or log out and register a new one. Right now we're on the website. Tap on the registration. We go to registration page and you will see your email, your passwords. We need to enter your actual email for your mails. For example, this and this. Enter the working promo code is Joe501. Accept all the rules and tap on the sign up. A few sec waiting and we are going to our account. Tap on the continue. Right now you can choose your region and your value to confirm. For example, start it and skip. We are live. You can create multiple accounts and receive double your deposit each time. Next, we are going in our accounts and top it up. For example, tap there and bonus will automatically appear on your balance, or you can activate it in your personal account. That's all, guys. Use it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Goodbye and good luck. So have fun.